Title: The Chip Stoppage Adventure. Once upon a time, in a bustling kingdom far, far away, there was a magical company named TSMC. TSMC was known throughout the world for crafting the most wondrous and powerful computer chips. These chips were like little brains, making all sorts of machines and gadgets very, very smart. One fine day, a mighty ruler from the land of the United States sent a royal decree to TSMC. The decree was clear and stern. The magical chips must not be sent to the Kingdom of China, it read. The ruler wanted to make sure that their magical AI knowledge stayed protected and wasn't shared with the Chinese kingdom. Now, in the Kingdom of China, there was a clever chip designer named Sophgo. Sophgo was busily preparing to use these magic chips to help create remarkable new inventions. But when the royal decree reached TSMC, everything came to a halt. TSMC had to stop the shipment of their magical chips to Sophgo because these chips were just like the ones used by another clever inventor named Huawei. The decree was part of a bigger plan by the US kingdom to keep their most advanced chip secrets, especially those measuring 7 nanometers or smaller, under wraps. They wanted to ensure that their magical technology could not be made into even grander magical machines on the other side of the world. This scenario reminded many in the land of a similar episode that happened just the year before. Back then, two other magical chip makers, NVIDIA and AMD, had also been instructed not to send their prized chips to China. Everyone understood that this was the US's way of trying to keep up with the rapid catching up of the Chinese kingdom in the world of magic and inventions. As the tale of chips and decrees unfolded, the wise villagers all around began to wonder, what will this mean for the world of technology and invention? For this was not just a motion of simple chips. It was about who would lead the future of magic, gizmos, and all things incredible. And so, the story of TSMC, the big decree, and the playful rivalry between the US and China kingdoms became a story that curious minds and historians alike would discuss through joyous gatherings and tales for many years to come. The end.